if you're experiencing frame stuttering in Overwatch 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Overwatch 2. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel and download the latest drivers. Keeping your drivers up to date can significantly enhance performance and stability. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Open Overwatch 2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality and shadow detail to reduce the load on your system and improve frame rates. Step 4. Disable background applications. Pause any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be consuming system resources. This includes web browsers, streaming services, and other games. Step 5. Optimize game files. Use the Battle.net client to scan and repair your Overwatch 2 installation. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing performance issues. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.